Happy New Year. It is now 2021 and I'm excited to start the new year. We're gonna have a whole year of YouTube content and I'm very excited about it for the channel. So there's two things that I kind of want to talk about. One is my goals. So of course my goal has still been to reach 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, please make sure you do that. Help me reach that goal by the end of 2021. I'd love to see 10,000 subscribers, maybe even more, who knows. The other thing is I want to make sure that the direction of the channel is clear. So there's two things that I'm very passionate about. One is photography and video work, and two is cars. So I really want to be able to showcase this year a lot more awesome cars and awesome people, but I also want to take a step back a little bit and kind of show you behind the scenes of some of the car shoots that I do. So a lot of my early subscribers subscribed to me because of the content that I was making regarding photography and filmmaking, video shoots and all of that. So I want to be able to share both passions with all of you. So guys, 2021 is here. It's going to be a great year. Stay healthy, stay happy, hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and guys, we're going to have an awesome year together. Thanks, and I will see you in the next one.